In this TradeMiner video, we're going to go through and we're just going to look at the charts. We're going to talk a little bit about the different charts that we have available to us. We did our scan in a previous video. We also looked through the results. The results came up with one trade called Garmin that we've been kind of following. This is the Garmin trade down here on the bottom, and you can see that this is the first chart. This is the chart that's in the center. This is the default chart. This is kind of my favorite one that we come through, and you'll notice that the years are listed on the bottom. This is 2001, 2002, 2003, all the way out to 2012. We're currently in 2013, and so we're waiting for this to complete. Once it completes, it'll also show its profit or loss in this window here. We also have over here the amount of money right here listed on the left hand side. Now these are almost like little candlestick charts if you're familiar with candlestick charts. So we have, this is the high that the market went for that year, this is the low that the market went for that year, and this is where it closed out. So you can see this one had a rather large drawdown in 2008. The market rallied up to this point, it pulled back to this point down in here, and then it rallied back up for a profit. So this one had a drawdown of this much, a rally up to this point, and then pulled back to the closing ratio. And so that's what we're looking at here, and it's representative of every single year. You'll also notice up here we also give you the information for that particular trade for Garmin. We say bullish Garmin begins November 13th, 2013, ends December 30th, 2013. The average profit is 1,526 with the biggest winner of 27.89, which would have been this year here. And then the total profit was 18,316.72 with a winning percentage ratio of 100%. Now that total profit, 18,000, can be seen in a chart as well, which is right here. This is kind of your equity curve. Had you traded this every single year for the last, what was it, 12 years, this is what your equity curve would have looked like. And then of course this is our risk versus reward chart over here. Each one of these are a button. All you have to do is just click on the different chart, and that will bring it up in the larger window. Of course, risk versus reward, meaning that the more green the better, the less red the better. So the greater risk you would be taking if you had a larger percentage of red, or it's based on basically the drawdown, how much money you're willing to risk for the reward potential. And then this one here, this last tab, is just a simple table of all the individual trades, and it shows working through the weekends. November 13th, 2012, we had a beginning price of $34.96, ending date was December 28th, the ending price was $38.98. We had a drawdown of $80 for a closed profit of $1,151. And so you can go through and see each individual trade's specific information about the trades that happened that year. And that is just a quick rundown of the Charts tab window.